Now let us see the construction of the parabola with focus distance 50 mm and eccentricity is 1. So for always parabola, the eccentricity will be 1. Initially set to a minute after at 0, and then you can draw one directrix, and then you can draw one horizontal line which represents the axis of the parabola. Now here you can just mark 50 mm distance as the focus. Now since the eccentricity is 1, we have to find the midpoint for this for the vertex point. So here in this one we can mark 2.5 mm for 2.5 centimeters. This is going to be your center point. Now through this you can draw one vertical line. Now in the ellipse we have just transferred this length. Now we need not have to transfer this length. Then after this point V, you can draw any number of lines. Any number of lines, need not be of equal distance. Any number of lines you can draw. Please you draw light lines, since should be visible in the video. That is, I am drawing some dark line. It is 1, 2, 3. Of course, this is the point F. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. Say this is the center C. Now we can take the compass. Fix the distance C1. C1 I have taken the distance, and then from the F I can draw one point here as well as at the bottom. There are 2 points I can locate. I have taken radius equal to C1, center as F. Center as F. Now you can take C2 as your radius. From F you can draw 2 arcs here and here as well as in this point. Now 3 as well as C you can take. From center F you draw one arc here as well as one arc here. Then C4, from F you draw one arc here as well as one arc here. C5, from center F you can draw one arc here as well as you can draw one arc here. So now we can locate these points. This one I have to extend little, then I will be getting this point here. Here also I have to extend little, so I will be getting a point here, 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 here and here. Here we have got some close points, but between these we have not got any point, so we can generate one more point, no problem. From this center or this point to your C you can take, just like your previous points. Now from F we can draw 2 points here. Now through these points we can draw a smooth curve. We do not go up to the convergence, because in the ellipse only you will be getting a convergence. In the parabola it will not converge. It will not converge. It will just go on these sides as well as this side for a longer distance. So here these curves can be completed like this. So this is the parabola, this is directrix, and this is the vertex point, this is going to be the focus point, and this is the parabola. For this also, through any point, if you want to draw the tangent and normal, here you can point one point P, if you want to draw the tangent to this point, what you can do is first you have to join this point and this by a straight line. Now I want to draw a 90 degree for this. It's simple. So first you can just make this minute drafter parallel to that line to which you want to draw 90 degrees line. Now you tighten this knob. Now the scale will automatically become 90 degree to that line. You just keep that end or other limb parallel or coinciding with this point F, and then you can construct a line. So this point is your cutting point. This point as P and you join P and this, you can join this. This is going to be your tangent. The normal, if you want to draw for the tangent through the point P, you just make the minute drafter limb parallel to that edge and tighten this minute drafter. Then this will become 90 degree. Now through this point P, you can draw one vertical line. That's all. Now this is your normal. This is the curve called parabola with eccentricity is equals 1 and focus as 50 mm from the directrix. Thank you.